Go.
Well, good morning. It's Wednesday today. Yesterday we tried a new camera, my new camera. I think it would work beautifully. I loved the pictures. I loved how it looked. However, my Wi-Fi here is not strong enough to run the camera the way it needs to be run. So yesterday's Grandma Diane's story time looked a little chopped up, and it was a bit chopped up. So we're going to repeat Brown Bear again today by Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. And you'll enjoy it. If you've seen the book before, that's okay. And if you've heard the story before, that's okay, because sometimes they're more fun the more you hear them. So we're going to repeat that one today. Remember yesterday I told you that there were lots of other, and this one happens to be Panda Bear. Panda Bear, what do you see? Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
And then there's Polar Bear. Polar Bear, what do you hear? And Baby Bear, what do you see? And again, there may be more, but these are just the ones that I have here in my library. So when you're looking for Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle, be sure you look for the bear books, stories. So let's get Baby Bear, what do you see? Okay, first let's make sure we have it all lined up here. Do we?
Yeah.
Okay, you can see both sides?
Yep.
Okay. Brown Bear, what do you see? By Bill Martin, pictures by Eric Carle. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. There's a red bird. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. A blue horse? I don't ever remember seeing a blue horse. But I guess there's one. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Oh my goodness, I've never seen a purple cat. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Isn't he cute with all his curly fur? Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Oops, I skipped a page. How could we skip that big goldfish? Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Here's all the children. Wow. Children, what do you see? My goodness, look at them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 children. We see brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. And that's the end of the story. And what did we decide yesterday the colors meant? Elsie, did you remember?
Each animal and its own color.
Okay, so this would be
Brown bear, red bird, yellow duck, blue horse, green frog, purple cat, white dog, black sheep, goldfish.
and the goldfish. Cool. Okay. Well, that's such a short story that I think we have time for Elsie and I to read it once again. It's a fun story to read together. So, brown bear, what do you see?
I see a red bird looking at me.
Red bird, what do you see?
I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Yellow duck, what do you see?
I see a blue horse looking at me.
Blue horse, what do you see?
I see a green frog looking at me.
Green frog, what do you see?
I see a purple cat looking at me.
Oh, I like that picture of that frog. It's so big. All of Carle's pictures in this book are nice and big. Purple cat, what do you see?
I see a white dog looking at me.
White dog, what do you see?
I see a black looking at me.
Black sheep, what do you see?
I see a goldfish looking at me.
Goldfish, what do you see?
I see a teacher looking at me.
Teacher, what do you see?
I see children looking at me.
Children, what do you see?
We see brown bear, red bird, yellow duck, blue horse, green frog, purple cat, white dog, black sheep, goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That is what we see.
And that is the end of our story. Which one was your favorite animal in the book? I think my favorite one is the black sheep. How about you, Elsie? What's your favorite?
Well, I like the white dog.
The white dog, okay. How about you out there listening to us? What's your favorite? I wish I could hear your answers. A number of years ago when I was still teaching, I used to use brown bear, what do you see? With my kids, we'd read it, and then I would have the students do a picture of their own. So, for example, they had to use a different animal, not one that was in the book. So they might say, brown bear, what do you see? I see a yellow giraffe looking at me. And then they have to draw the picture of that yellow giraffe. That was always kind of fun. They liked to do that. And sometimes some of the kids like to write their own stories. And they would start with not brown bear, but they might start with pink flamingo, what do you see? I see a manatee looking at me, or something like that, to make the story just a little bit different. So it was always a well-loved book and fun activities to do with it. So I hope you can have some fun with brown bear, what do you see as well. So that is our story time for today. We are going to be going back to this particular system because this works well with my Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, I do not have enough Wi-Fi to use my new camera that works so beautifully, and I think we could have done some marvelous stuff with it, but as it is, I don't have enough Wi-Fi to make it work, so we'll just have to put up with what we're doing the way it is now for a while until I can figure something else out. So we'll be back again tomorrow at 11 o'clock, and I think I have another Dr. Seuss book that I found that we'll read tomorrow. It'll be a fun one. I think you'll enjoy it. And Dr. Seuss now is like an old friend to us, so I think you'll have a good time. So we'll see you tomorrow morning at 11. Thank you.